1530 Winchester virtual tour. This is in Lakewood, Ohio. Awesome location. You've got a one-car garage, fenced-in backyard, and a once you pull in the garage, you can close up and have a private area back there. It's a great driveway close to downtown Lakewood. So let's go inside here on this one. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 full baths, and it has a bathroom on the first floor. As you can see, it's a big open floor plan. LTV flooring. Does have window air for the summer. A couple areas. A nice big kitchen. Kitchen comes complete. You have the vinyl windows too, new windows, and you have you got the refrigerator, stove, all in here, and you have a first floor bathroom, which is a huge bathroom, and you have a first floor bedroom. Again, another air conditioner over there. You can see these are nice high ceilings. They're about 10 foot. So you have the higher ceilings in here. It's way nice. Then you have a basement there. And then upstairs here, you have 2 bedrooms and another full bath. So each floor has a bathroom. And the bedrooms are big, so they're nice, good size for you to live in. We just put a new roof on this one also. So as you can see, all very nice. Then you have another bathroom right here. So another full bath. So this is your walkthrough for 1530 Winchester, Lakewood, Ohio. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Thanks.